2,000 Ghana cedis to Valentina Nanaje wa me pacho ajo shama midin na bo no. Eti way a different money difference. If you say Aisha money sika once pay 2,000 or the man no or cash or the man on the banner birthday and was a sika no kwam but mo entro me exposing lies. I'm exposing lies. Lies she said in the thing she did. Video no be ye live no pressure man be kasa ne pacho ne intro ba kunye. Where your first evidence a transaction a Aisha Yamana a free. Aisha Fidelity Bank account. The patron why didn't know Valentina Mitriso. And now Valentina Mapampaso. Is that not a Fiaswas Negus picture and name in this transaction? So let's add this 2,000 to 3,000 now. Aisha don't share in someone the banny birthday that's more be a who you know. Me patron and so on ma more had your mammy me. More had your mammy me. Me pumacho. Another transaction 2,000 to Valentina Nanaje way was mobile money. Another transaction bio 2,000 to Valentina Nanaje wa mobile money. Me poacho I shall multi transfer sikama afia Schwarzenegger ma afraid you're not ordinary paycheck. Eradi nyankopon I shall modi we dey nipa. I shall modi we dey nipa. We dey nipa nenti. What the Fias was nega to paycheck so? Hey, mama mention more evidence. Me patcho mo wa brotre na. Mo salary amoji mo paycheck mo tumu di obi din to sonti. Wo salary beto wo paycheck mo pe. Na ya transfer sika na manipa no me patcho mo hwe. I had to hide Aisha's paycheck number. Enie. Me patcho mo hu ni ye. Me patcho Z credits pay. ID blah 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 blah. Me patcho mo hu ni ye. Aisha modi the Fias was nega to ni paycheck so. Aisha sika bedi ni na abroche yetua weekly. Aisha sika bedi na account mu na account no automatically at your Fias was nega the ama no. Anyway, this is evidence. Na so Fias was nega nsuro nyankopon. Wan suro chedi ampon wo boy ye begina live neka say wonu 2,000 Ghana cedi pe. And Aisha the ama no call the man ba if that see wo nipam. Me pomacho paycheck evidence we eye nipam. Paycheck evidence eye nipam. Enon kwankwada mobile money 2,000 yeni me pacho nipam. Enon kwankwada me pacho Fidelity Bank transfer nipam. Akoko Fias was nega akoko wo didi ria na wo de wan no atwitiri fam. Me say ye kasa with evidence. We don't talk anyhow. Ye nkasa because come and some afia wo beka ye nyina no. Awia wo beka ye no. Me say me ne ma me ngega ya adwen wo evidence e wo hin wo evidence e wo hin Aisha modi huna mani o eya na nkrofo bi say and Aisha modi you have to be careful with her na oye papa na kan dey say wabeka me pa chow wo ye efia papa enti say me pa chow efia Schwarzenegger motu ni din ni modi kan ho efia Schwarzenegger ni say na modi kan ho na wo timidi obi onye na busuani Ejene wo hone wo mayamu kom ede wo to ni pay slip so patch pay slip evidence na die ye kan pay slip a e kire say bosume so a na say Aisha adwuma a wo ye no ye tua ne car account no automatically transfers money to a Fias account automatically me patch ma hu ha amount ben e da ha no amount to ben and that $2,700 na ya transfer no me patch amount ben no we a sum up amount. Mo nipa mo ye papa mo kai. What ye mo papa mo kai? If ya na e oka na wia no. Enipa efia Schwarzenegger wa sore tia wo mo Ghana ha bia ye nipa wo mo boa wo. E na wie wo sore tia wo mo. Na entokwa foforo na wonya bibi nka wo dia fa Abbas Sariki so efia sa Abbas Sariki on pa Aisha modi. Me patro efia Schwarzenegger wo busuafo na egu picture ni mu no. Efia Schwarzenegger wabusuafo enegu picture numu no. The woman in the black mayafi is Abbas Sariki. Time Abbas Sariki kwaya family rights. So worry Aisha modi video na mu no. In the picture is Abbas Sariki's father, Abbas Sariki's mother, and Abbas Sariki's sisters. Family. And I'm accept Aisha modi. Who can throw? Who can trust and Aisha boa and Abbas Sariki peno me patro afie wo mfoni and that picture no this is family Obia entinkane on peno. Obia on peno. Obia on peno no. Me pacho anko ne family ebe say. Na wo first say down who was 3. Eya misiro. Eya na dru baby a. Ensem na yenim na ebe nyanke betimi aka ni nyina. Ohoyam. Say or reverend bofo yere na. Ehan da ma wo bodam. Wo jale. Sika Aisha mo didi asende wo bebrebe. Sika Aisha mo didi asende we from the Fidelity account. We what do to ni pay slip so every month be 2,700 na about ho no. What do to ni pay slip so no. Me patro sa sika wenti Aisha want me fa hand dan. Aje Aisha kwaye lesbobo ansa na what me nya sika hand dan na me bisa o. Wenim guase na aba wenim na eguase. Wenim na eguase. Yen play ANG Glow whatever. Yen play video ben bio wenim hu ade. Audio ben bio na yen play. Can't you see? Can you all not see? This is the evidence. This is the evidence. And Aisha kwakwa fre Tracy Boache and Tracy Boache fa ha na Tracy Boache kosi hi Tracy Boache no one any paboni no bia otimi je wadan fukunu ne wo area kwape grooming president picture de grade oba picture kwape ukọ hwe papa ukọ hwe papa ni monyam ewo ni din ho e dia ma ba Tracy Boache wo ade ankwa na wan fa anya Zandi Camel ade ankwa na wan fa anya Zandi Camel awade anka egu e ma akola ne di woni mrebe ebe renew ne vows. Or didn't want the brebe renew the vows in was as a result of Tracy Boache. Said I Tracy Boache and Nanka wo goose Zandi Camel a wadie. I didn't want to find Zandi Camel. I didn't want to find Zandi Camel. Say and I will call Fred Tracy na Tracy no papa Tracy Papa Bang. Tracy Crona. Efia menya mayanke kan sam o ne manum ke kame. Menya mayanke kan sam na manum eke kame. Your ungratefulness is over the bar. Say that we are ungrateful, no? It's over the bar. Kobisa wadan for Fifi Pratt. Now on Chira will say the nipa is grateful. Kobisa no. Because he is the only person who experiencing grateful person. That one in life. Obeka Chira say ayeme. Obeka Chira say ayeme after all say me nina. Or say me come home some Chira so for be more recorded send me. Dear ya from me phones, let me turn phones, let me tieno. After nina chino me. And I'm not sure I'm call Kingdom. I am airtime or Kingdom. Remember, the message is still on his phone. The first airtime is sending the message done. As that is what we say, grateful people. Even in your pain, even when the person has hurt you, you still want to say thank you to the person. That is what we call gratefulness. If you was nigga, she kadu dua Aisha modi dia send. Someone who sikadu dua Aisha modi dia send with fear was nigga. When you know dinner time, now they are bayfuana. Obey no. Omo mabua umpen kwa na betimi dia adi o matema na. Omo mabua umpen kwa na betimi dia adi o matema na. E na maami se wa maami gold no e be kan wait. Maami go catch some offer is $2,000 in kwama no. Catch maami gold so offer is $2,000 in kwama no. No pesika bua wo mo a. Wo mo be gina mu aye grateful e dia ma no. Ungrateful human being. Efia wo boy ni se wo kai ni din. Say what kai boy now who 2 time and who 2 and 3 who feel one no more. What the kwafano say nipa nan kan kire Aisha say wo hia 2,000 cedis dia pake oniama na sika de be pake oniama mpo wo nibi. Say what kai boy me pese me boni din. Me pese me boni din metia boni din afra ni phone so de na gina live we so nyina. Say what kai boy na what the kwafano so wo say wo Aisha de din niama tata e yefia enti wo twam tra wo yamu nhye. Afia anya wo na me pesa me boy ni din utu wo ka kire sa boy yi sa boy ne kan kire Aisha say wo hia 2,000 Ghana cedis da pake oniama e na boy ne ka kire Aisha na Aisha na afro no so oh afia na wo hia moa afia fa phone mama say wo hia moa ade na wo kan kire me straight na wo de kwakwa obi so e ho no ma na Aisha ye transfer e de ma wo na Aisha ni din ni sika abunu so wa wo se wo pay afia din no afia Schwarzenegger ni din Valentina na jewa first transaction no pacho e hu din nie second transaction nie me pacho hwa Fidelity Bank transfer no me pacho mi din na wo so mi din na wo so afia Schwarzenegger din na wo so no me pacho mo hwa de obi timi de wo to ni pay slip so na why sha den adwuma na wo ye na den Uni abusuafo adu sika be hwa ma na Aisha Modi. Ana wutumi di afia so ga to pay slip so. Motherfucker. Ya kaso obi do bi ato ni pay slip so a e kire se Aisha sika bedru ya. Na ya tie fia de de ama ne te se de one ne ye adwuma no. Hey, na Abbas Sariki pe na o pe Aisha Modi no so e ya wo ya. Aboze ge fia wabusuafo ni e. Wabusuafo omu ni e. I have videos. Aisha Modi kwa ni kunu fie, ni kuna busuafo fie. Na ya na asew our in-law in their language. I have videos. Obi pe obi keke kura ya wo ya. Nipa boni ni afia so asnega. E dia na wa wadan for Tracy Boache won fa nye no. Abusuafo me se ene me be kire mo evidence. Won tag obi atag obi mame. Ene me be kire mo evidence. Won tag obi atag obi mame. E dia na wan fa nye wadan for Tracy Boache. Edian ene wan fa anya wadanfo Tracy Boache no one ne nam no Tracy Boache na one ne nam no me se afia wo kum Tracy Boache edian eni e mon kan eskufu amwom no mon kan ansa na Tracy Boache ba be Tracy Boache no ebesi na Tracy Boache afia you have always hated that girl. You have always hated Tracy Boache. Ama wo ko catch Mr. Owusu famous movies. Some of famous movies Kumase. Sa emane ma Tracy Boache nya popular Tracy Boache ne che Tracy Boache che efo efia so sega won e na ka che Mr. Owusu famous films. Sa Tracy Boache che fo te sa abete aye to wo mi kuro mu badu e wo wanchi. Tracy Boache sa na ne chefo esitie enie information in ye mon kan for me say ya kasa ya the evidence enenam we am ba and some of you say ga be kan they no to me pulling one single evidence. Stupid ass. Why are you ungrateful? Obi asha wumba for months. Now was saying ungrateful to the person. Now was saying you got to even come and insult the person. Won't sronya me worth your worry yaba. So what beer one worker said to Aisha worry now for that next thing when you now crowd send it on their backs. Until dear now want me find any pa. Any efia what will catch Mr. Owusu of famous films to say Tracy Boache a fool. Na mama name ma Tracy Boache say what carry Tracy Boache all back from not famous films to pan producing movies on channel. What catch famous films say Tracy Boache cheap. And say or my name what Tracy Boache. Me pa cha mon kan a school for am no mon kan. A school for am no mon kan. Ama papa no so asema catch say Tracy Boache cheap but papa no so ni Tracy Boache die Tracy Boache channel all what bring mu back front center. East, west, north. Me see I show evidence. We can show evidence from morning to afternoon, evening to night. Yanda. Because ye nim dia ya kasa obi o kasa wo kan okra no kasa no okra evidence. Me pacho enie. Papa no so wo bri Tracy Boache wo bre gon. Wo bre girl no star obi abi. And am wo fear so nega wo so ne. Ama papa no famous films Mr. Owusu oni Tracy Boache mpo. Omo ntam enye debio. Oye di enipa me se bebre ba Tracy Boache yama wo nei ochina bi you na Aisha de na aba no wo di Vivian Jela kam wani amba wo dwa amba ofere amwa hu se obema mpa o pe Vivian Jela no obema ne timi ma wo sika to aduane ma wo mbadi you overlooked the innocent and the honorable man and wo di Vivian Jela tem aboa kama tama so o deal with you ana nkwase afo gina chi no mo jimi now, what's your phone? No, Jimmy. I have stopped shaking the phone. Read it for yourselves. Read it. Mr. Owusu no only Tracy Boache o mayaka. Because of a fear was nigga catching Mr. Owusu say, Mr. Owusu, Tracy Boache channel, fofo lelele, ne bo anya din. Obetimi adini free. Say first that don't ko papa no kodi from 2000 Ghana. 2000 Ghana ne edi mo ayede mamo. And I'm to tall mansions na we ye adwuma be na mo to tall mansions no mo ye adwuma be na mo to tall mansions no na e na wo frɛ me sister audio bi a me wo e na me di media nyina amanya me nya twem nipa bonefo na na jewa na wo bi a wo ma me se won collaborate okacha na tornado se won collaborate wutumu tenten wo tietia wa yet say yi tapo square no wutumi tenten wona mu ni wakɔ ma me ani so wo ya kwala no me di wachi fiti won kwala brembe sindei wo say na me de media amanya me na asena ka kire ma me gold na ma me gold no ka kire say before back kasa ankwasa sam na kire wo no on $2,000 no Ungrateful human beings. Me say, menya, me the respect kesia pa my reverend above one in the Queen Sierra. Respect kesia na me da ma above for any in the Queen Sierra. Na ka me say me kasa, me mo betin some who evidence. Me say my be prove in some prayer. Okay, on the live every blessed day. I'll come with evidence for you people. Me yasa me call live for YouTube for say me subscribers in 2,000 until I can go on live. Until me sure mo call YouTube na mo call subscribe na yet me pra live wo ho. Aha na ya na time near limited ma me ntimi nkasa bebre. Mo call YouTube mo call about GH space Mouthpiece TV, GH no my space Mouthpiece TV. Go and subscribe because I say me Mumbai over 75,000 na me nimu go and my family na me nimu Instagram and people haven't come on YouTube ntimi call live. Timo call honom. A new account, I feel be a GH no my space, Mouthpiece TV. Pa bonifo. Ni pa bonifo if you was nigga. What say ya? What that's what ya? What say say about Sarikini? You ni asha modi na uyam shewo. And a uyam a shewo. One tibida. Now what we say Aisha is riding on people. Aisha modi is riding on people to have fame. If ya anya one na wo Aisha modi wan kacha Aisha modi so fan call about $50,000 so wan anya wa now for your business were you not also using Aisha modi to ride on people anya wo na wo sra Aisha modi so fan ko ni kunu aba sariki wo ode ko aba sariki wo sra ni sa aba sariki ma wasa se ododo wa no anya wa enti wo between wo ni Aisha modi wan po na yisu ni yonkwa ride odobi obi a wo ne ya dan for 3 a.m. na wo si ni fie one in the yard for 3 a.m. Now on in his usi Aisha modi fie. Or no one no wine and any yonko wine. 1 year car. Mopacho more Yusuf. Aisha modi buy Yusuf. One year bastard keep buy Yusuf. Ne birthday mu videos no. Some who time I did cake in the kwamakola na Aisha modi fie no. Afia was say Aisha modi fie nyan tantan blah 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 nya. Aisha modi fie na mu hu video ni mu no nipa boni ni o say nipa na mu nhye no. Afia was na ge di nipa boni a na koma enka no entu no ni mu nhye no nka say eyerade nipa mi be di ni boni mpo atodo. Afia was say ga wa ma Aisha modi wan sidi mpo da. And so the woman put you on her pay slip. One Ghana put the when you when you afaria pachasa wano na apron wano no physically your mouth is rotten. Oh your life I know be beside what is wrong and then we have life no be beside what is wrong with your lips. Why does your lip look rotten? Physically wano na pro hu na pie hu na mani. Your mouth is rotten. One man usikasha rotten mouth na pro no mu. What it? Ana wo wie ye wadidi obi ma wadiani di akai no me say ope obi a wan kai akobisa wadanfo kopisa wadanfo fifi prafa be ka cho say when I wadem pia awo makoma mu what penetrated through my heart odi pia woni mu pia awo makoma mu na pia chire mpo no na enam so manya me hye mani monya wo kingdom no me sign sending a text message e da na say in my pains when na me su what did me born when him say what hurting me to the core. Even in my pains, I said, thank you, Fifi Pratt, for taking me to kingdom. Emma and them, someone name me your host, me dana. See, even in my bitterness, time why I'm born to the core. That is what you call gratefulness. Gratefulness. And I know he cannot dispute that. None of them is more grateful than I am. That is what we call gratefulness. Gratefulness is when obi a waboa wo pen obeya wo bone ti said den okay now me no wo fa se akasa me kasa no wo fa se say I have more than enough to say about that man but wonim the so come na se mani ma na makai papa ne dey me na majai and on your friend say we are grateful if you as nigga learn how to be grateful now wo feel say yankopon na nakata wani no now me no or deal with people accordingly if I shall not deal with one city now what did sika bebrebe mu hu evidence am kire mu amoba late mu hu ye after doing business with me she refused to pay me and she blocked me obe block her and then yes we are blocking the followers half because omo kind of credit channel and we block you are ungrateful. I shall is somebody and you can send kafie tisika iPhone 11 Pro Max ba for no. Na ne boy dancing 12 Pro Max ne buy no. 8,000 something e ba brand new. Ti ne bottom sika tobi man. Pena je me pesika me to no to akos painters wo to African comment one a wo fake ye ya de kokwa sie ho no na wo fake se wo fie no wo to afri ho no akos painters na wo common mo hwe de da na afia so snega ti cantonment na wo ye mo hwe de da o ti cantonment na I have this and I'm was me see afie samre ya nyina ya hu ni se wo to ya sresre wo ti mi srade ye ne wo nyina ye pe won de wo ho. She said the grooming president man wo do amohoro wo musika do amboto mo do mo sabo amata so pa na ma yo musika no won de wo sa wo hia ade a wutimi sre she said dey hia ade etimi sre de afia ye no ye pe obi am na fia say ga pressure amfa no hwenu dwa na o ti cantonment na wo dwa and I am this is one of my houses dwa na num sa o to free cantonment won num pa akos pentest no me say o sre 2,000 for transportation or na wonim nipa ko ode asam no kofa no so e ma nipa na efra Aisha ka kira Aisha and Aisha free fe no se fe na wo hia sika ka kira me won wo sre ade wo to we wo sre ade na wadi enso wa no wo sre te se de ya yeti ha ye nibia ya koye mpanimfo I dey respect more manim ka kira mo say me nibi me what me da se ma ka kira mo say me I just I have nothing to prove to you people oh baby me free no I'm a bedru hano. You motherfuckers on social media and I have nothing to prove to you. And to me nibia, you can't kill me. I will not come and fake. But you have been faking. You have been faking. Who fake yesterday 2,000 Ghana cedis at the parking. I made me to every leg side about saying, did I beg money to park man's riska? Me and bottom promo advert my me sweat na me 2 years. Motherfucker. Nyankopon me say ana maka kya mo Ghana fo no me say mo nimu de akọ Reverend Abofo ne ne yire omo sre afia so ase ka say mo say Reverend Abofo o sre bi ho no o sre abosake omo sre o because and some abeka ka our life mo nam na wonnim de wo ka you don't even have an idea Reverend Abofo oben ansha mo de sin said de ne yire kura ben no. Somebody who is closer to the man more than a wife. Hey, as you nim dia kwaso na kwanu tum kasa dodo. If you am say nim dia kwaso kwanu tum. Obi kan sem bi kire wo pe na wo gina so na obegina life na wo ye dede na wo looking as stupid as you are. When you information bi obi pe na wo dim nika gbegbe no obekasa na you look as stupid as you are. Because who nim dia kwaso, you don't know anything. Me say Reverend Abofo ne yire. Any diamond appear and you know or master wa so mo yefunu master wa hey you ready almost make can say ko pedro ma okoto je no ko pedro ma okoto je na beku one nine no ko pedro ma na beku adena we your ungratefulness at its highest peak me see obi bua me obi ya me papa no na sa papa no fi pras no kwa woni do ya me earlier. And so me kai papa nti wasan fra me say me san bra na oni me adwuma me san forget say do ya me nya na me san ne kwa me ne adwuma no mo san ye bio me san nya airtime me am de adwuma me san forget say me say grateful person is a person we ne papa na wo san ya ne boni a o kai wo boni no eja wo papa no obi fra me bisa me say Fabregas akwa life ama fee na GH only fee nya issues as Fabregas ni benya issues aba ne say answer wo call live all this one am say me fa me phone na me kai papa na ya ma me na me phone na to and ka de Fabregas kan no no oni fela ka de Fabregas kan no oni point lines ka point lines am kan to Ghana no but me fa me phone na me kai papa na ya me na me phone na to that is what we call grateful heart even when the person has hurt you to the core pierce deep into your heart. A fish was nega woni bi be ye ayo sa kom ena omo a waya o madwin so mo be boa okrom hanko a ena wo be ye omo bone Nyankopon o hwe me say Ghana for na mu gina mu ena you envy afia ena you envy her janasem kan me say are you people challenging nature are you people challenging karma more challenging nature more challenging karma Monte Ghana hanom ena na mama brown wo ya o ware ya na wan ho ye Becca wo ye 6 months pepe na Becca ware ye 6 months pepe no wo ye Becca wo ye no afia so say ga be ye video be huru na mama brown say beke na mo de mo ye ne sign na mo kwa aware as 6 months pepe na ma wi na antenna na de wakota na aware as 19 kwa de ho ni wontimi wo no awo mpo efie so say ga de twani pampoa e wo krom ha na ama ground mo kwa video na da YouTube obeye video berede ka na ama afi magazine ba ya o de na mase tetarase o pe brand ani monyam wo ho o pe brand ani monyam e wo ho mo ye video ya de nipa wo Ghana ha wo ho mo ye fi se one fa ni one see the crown to men's gold da na what di men's gold fu atem what di na apia men's atem papa ne nye ne hwe da wonti no won kan no nye ne bone da mo ye fi se Jane na ageman mo ye fi na no 2020 ya ye beto abai mahana running mate ma me ne nya afia so snake shi wo wi asimu na afia so snake ba life be frɛ ma me na hyawo nyina mo ye fi mo ye fi se Vivian J na anu ya wo nya afia so snake ahwe na afia be di Vivian J la bitterly mo ye fi ya ma mo run down ya ma mo count down ana mo feel sa ne ma na afia ye no eye me na nature ba be tua me ka ana eye wo na wo ye no wani brain no eye wo na nature ba be tua o ka na me na nature be tua me ka. Nature is fucking going to deal with her, not me. And to be bia obebia no e bra so say was say nature na say friend karma or the work at yamawa or the work at yabe man and I wouldn't work at any bre e fufura Aishamodi hwe o boy Aishamodi din old musicians are omo din omo form they respect the woman omo kai de ba me in wayama industry no so say was say nature na say friend karma or the work at yamawa or the work at yabe man and I wouldn't work at any bre and fufura Aishamodi hwe o boy Aishamodi din old musicians are omo din omo form they respect the woman omo kai de ba me wayama industry no confused woman confusing a confused generation unnim dia woka she's confused because in some na woka nyina na NCC so they were not making sense. They were not making sense. Wo kwa America kokko wi a chain. Ade na wan kwa Mami Gold fie. Mami Gold no wonim do won sama waka ya record the scooter. Me say every now and then I am going to come out. I am going to come out with evidence each day bia for asem wenti. Because truths need to stand. Light need to overshadow darkness. What? Now what you want na confused woman. O confusing generation ena kakra Aishamodi abasariki sompo o bodam o kra bro kwade ne nan wo a wo twam wie ja wo na ma wie kokofa sa kwa dwimifo na wo wie a wo se o permis bell no krampo kra no ya nkasa wo sa de wo ye oba a wutie obi nkoso ye girl ne ya se me de chat ne kire mu do de na dafo trace bu ache se me de akire mu na dafo trace bu ache de ode ye no se me de akire mu mo hu ni nyina me see evidence nsem wo ho ensem ehhehye sumase wono na dafo no one ne koba no na dafo no one ne koba no mo de ode ye no na dafo no nti na dafo no ni mi so wusu nkata because of afia you call this a friend nipa we bet nas no chantro what be chantro say Aishamodi gave me the money in public time and ye pena birthday and Aisha this kind of mommy me pa chow evidence of 4 or 5 different transactions a cost to a church was nega din una me de kire mo no me pa chow eno ne ye din ya you are lying upon being ungrateful you are still lying upon being ungrateful Nana Jewa you are still lying. Na come deal with her. Na ko say nkrofo companies. Egugu nkrofo awade. E ma nkrofo ani gu ase no. Wo ma bi mu hyedam mu su. I know somebody I was say afia ka asema wo hyedam mu su ye. Nkrofo agewe ma manya depression wo Ghana ha na no wo de ase wo ma wade. Na no wo edu nkrofo ma wu ya yanim yante. Na time so say come deal with her. Now what be jina honum do you envy her? Mimi envy a Afia Schwarzenegger. Na tornado ka say Afia Schwarzenegger ni nkraman dan. Why so be defend this statement neda? Na tornado ka so ni Afia Schwarzenegger ko Kumasi a. Wo mu ko Kumasi no. Ah China fo bi ba so mo ni nkraman konkoda. Na mo nje $5,000 on na tornado so won timi nya sad na Afia di China fo na chi. Ekwa ya oba betu to $5,000 good Nana Tornado so no. Sa some Nana Tornado ka say fian enkraman. Have you seen her defending that statement before? And to give me a single reason to envy a woman. A woman. One enkraman does say bijijiska. Because this is a statement by Nana Tornado. If you have never been able to come out to defend say and you no correct. That be not to know the Baba can't say be a fiaba live. As some what can say, Anna, a friend is saying, Anna, my dear Kraman, the man scare you also could be. Hey, do I best rest on the city? No, of course, she hasn't even been able to say, me nyeda. And to me, and you on the commander, hey. Oh, Papa, no, who will not say more jolly. Messe more yalia. Sammy and this now, more woman physically down the moon in me on. About 10 gram of Mijam and that's when you yam yet, yam and yam, if you feel yam, you won't be say, Mamma, my baby and Vitapo square. I win yes, I'll pass as some necker. No cry away and nipan timing can I yes, no crano. Ya back up him see a boo. Me, Madame, I'm at peace. I drink only when I go out and I want to have fun. Somebody who doesn't sleep without taking alcohol. Dr. Tian and Sancho, if you to me, giant sanum. Mimi and Visa any panel. In my small little apartment, me da mukitwa bi ya mitiya hanye fe ura hanye fe. Come and see peace. Be ha me ni nuanom. Come and see harmony. Me mpe we wa hu. Na obi a ne ma me kura do me na ne ma me mpo ma ne nchen. Wona ma di bebre no. What you guys saying? Mo sure no kra na ye ka no kra. E na ne ma me. Ne ma me. Ne ma me. Ne ma me. Empress Selikem pato betimi asan ade ohun live no mu bi wa. Enche mesan meye. Why? Empress, ubetimi ade ohun. Now so come akoma so asem we say, please add me. I want to talk. I want to talk. Abozege. Girl we did dinner na mama grow atam say na ma nwo. Awa na ma nwo no patro na ma fault. O de beye video be di nyanko nsiranka nya mesa sa atam so na ma nyimo no o de nyinse na sie ne yanim. O beye video be ridicule no. Came to ridicule na nama. Hey, Anna Becca, Muddy away ya moko he na monyema. 6 months pe na ma wi. Eya moko fa no he. Ana manama de onyim ye owo ye ahini wu ye awo. Kura wo de bed ridicule no. Na sa nipa we. Nyankopon tia ne ka mo kama no ntuma na nkanya akatia nyankopon kwa fa mamo. Ogugu nkrofo companies tia je na nim se enso ne yeto. Wabwa me say ya kodo me pilatu kwaje information through on be catch ono ane workers they be catch no ono ane workers they will tell you say ni so ne ta wasra no amoma pake boys no omo so no amoma pake nso na good track num apake fi factory we good track num no dey twa video o say kwa out kwa distribution o ya no asia twa kwa good dem ho o ya no asia twa kwa good omo so mo ye nso a ukọ most water companies every day be mu twa nso omo ye nso etum ku ho no go week 2 na nsan on ton wan nsan. Why na to nsuo de nsuo no ho amon eto nsuo aye to yehu o traffic mu yehu say ne number bia wo ho hem mo life wo mantam wo ho afia just take nsuo ho wo ho pena mineral water order wo ho cast mineral water order nti wo gu obi de no nyame nso so be na mo bi so agu wo de wonam na ho ahin so ebegu no wonam chini Jonas so ebegu no Nyankopon wose wo fa afedifo anim guase na o de ahira ne ma enti obefa afedifo na mo di wo fel na ye nhira ma obi a wagu ni company da kona ko kan quotation na monya mommy and a fire emoji and a love and a fire emoji and we don't see Ghana ha get we dwuma odi dim crofom penifo aban mu penifo asukufo ne mako Kumasi High ko di teachers na tem Kumasi High o mo you don't see have you all forgotten na bra so se Nyankopon me say mo de mo te Ghana ha bia sem we me kan 2019 say fia wan ja won niema no a nipa be sure tia eye wo mama eti wantie me yete Ghana ha na mo recording to chale cocktail no ye kama eye one Afrique alcoholic cocktail no hey eye come on wo apple grape lemon flavor very nice na onoma e fa wo yo asa don't cover me ko ade fine eye kama pa pacho uko Instagram about one Afrique WANAFRIQUE one word one Afrique go send you mu DM and e bo onye den a whole carton ye be deliver bi dia ma ba bi oh it's very nice food and drugs association the stamp so when ubi osushia no one say wonom e kama pa wo de fridge na chele kra dia bobo. Oh, I know she's watching with fake account. And Crawford almost say I first was say me kasa Ghana ha me pay attention on film no slow Muni me kasa Ghana ha muni sleepless night me first was nigga me kasa Ghana ha muni sleepless night me first was nigga otimonya sleepless night a friend me boss ewa adwuma mu anopotutu to me boss na anopotutu to awada story no obe won first was nigga call adanya that GH piece girl is insulting me fire her tesa me man sleepless night me man headache na onim say obe kasa o public e be dead e be time ti me dey no public omo mama me kan say na me analysis bi ncham na mu jimi na mo di na first was nigga open attention won feel no se mitimi kasa mane nda na otimi frame adwuma mu se yanyima dia. That is to tell you how deep some na make an econo. And some make no reactions if you taking they are deeper than omo a wo betra na life reply omo no dey say kasa keke shallow talking keke me say me ya live and answer be kasa first was go ho the next morning call Kingdom FM so yanyima di wo frɛ na munyina di mo fire no aboze go be radio station da o dam nkuku ni kaka na akosa me konko na engine ni mu na o sa go kitchen hokra abo wa anya ni ye na be fro bi so bi fire me enti mu amunim what goes on when I talk no. I'm telling you what goes in when I talk. Na ono a odi osofo na yire no me se me ni ma me ngege ya adwen we dare Efia Schwarzenegger to fucking mention a single name. Almost of ni so your ba okrom hanom was in na ni eden ono no ye Efia Schwarzenegger ne twaso na no so ne bibia so almost of ndi wo your ba. We dare her to dare into her ancestral deadment. Almost of ndi so your ba. And a papa na oye na yere godmother. As a body the godmother's doors no. And you can say papa na yere godmother. Godmother dey here na woka. I so put a penny say numpo or the respect mom to say godmother. And to godmother na mu dey him. Before they mention name and let us see so your ba okrom ha no mo a. Abozege oh do no one no pass kasa bebe do e wo limit. E o baby edru a na si untimi nkontra ho. Me so your ba Madel, some kasa wuti, mitimi kasa ma fra mo fa, eka chen so onyimedi. Mitimi kasa ma fra mo fa ka chen so onyimedi. Enti I'm daring you. Say, be boss of one ni yiridi. Ka be hu Ghana ha, ka wa beti se hihia bozege. Asha mo de hu we no se zantana pantana. As don ko papa no kwaku otin. O sa papa na de munya no. I don ko papa na de munya no. Munya no me wa pani, me ma no ntram panimfu o. Mon study mi wa hu. On kame sabi oyobi papa ena wabo na bra ne wanya ni sika so what you see yente say papa na illegal business bi anya ni sika so why illegal business bi na anya ni sika dey anka me lose respect amano then I'll come to him but minti bibia so obi papa munja papa no na why attack wo mo papa ne problem no Zandi Kamel mo de mo te Ghana ha ma hu say the Zandi Kamel si konde ma Tracy Boachi wo kromu ha na Tracy Boachi ntokwa bia grem na Zandi aginam grem na Zandi aginam na no Tracy Zandi aware na egu na munim no de mo ko renew vows no Zandi Kamel say Tracy Boachi na nka egu na ware no wasi Tracy Boachi na nka egu na ware no de mo ko renew vows na anu ya o enso mo Ghana ha mo nyina mo hu say de Zandi of fight de ma Tracy Boachi se mo hu ye Ansa Tracy Boachi no kra de Tracy Boachi o be ka kiro wo be jai sa our life na me first na the way me see peg girl na sem kro be ye cool kra no be pe na sem kaka me say oh girl you were cool nobody hates you o ye pe papa ne ma wo me 2019 me catch the fear so unja nsem hunu wanja ya e born na water bodan no o mo be ba no so in thousand speeds no me kan ye no otie ya nka na nya de ohun nka ohun nka obi ne company na wa ye adwuma no nka obi anka ho nsem but one tie eno this security blackmailing sikani brana we are rich we are this nsem hunu santi Tracy but you so tie me kan wa block me kan na kwa hwe me baby an wa block me baby tie na so for two ho for de to adanfo na na e bi aka wo no of you say hwan kwa we ni mako na ponchene ate hu fifire no ene bi aka wo tie na so for two ho for kana fo obi antan wo na grooming president maame no jai say wo smash for so mo call the guest house wo no jai say smash for so mo call grooming president maame so ho no na oba ne papa say abaye clear am ye hu oba ne papa e na grooming president so de ne picture to wa ye nim ne papa akwa na ne picture da ho no ma ne hu ne papa he say abaye clear enti jai lady na se ma no jai lady no grooming president maame jai ne life ma no na live wo de because na won ne pre ho akopa baabi animonyama ma oba ne say de ba ne papa ne o papa ene oba ne papa ena nei nyame ya dum wa da for fresh say ga no papa ke ka wa bonten am ya te say oba ne papa eni pa so masi enti grooming president ma me no jane life ma no onu so akla no so mo amunim grooming president so ko ba grooming president for social media Instagram as see search grooming president hu akla na eno mi na ba ka say akla ne papa ni obi na hu akla no picture of phone so friends akla we dia anka ne papa anje pa dia ana say di the man o say oba o ye lawyer ma be ma ne be ma ba konte no obetimi ne na tena owo a enye obi ne be ka cha sa akla ne bani enti jai priscilla asema no na jai so smash so for kwa the guest house wo airport east so omo nkwa hwe o say guest house na priscilla dia na anya ne dia o dia twa so ya the document ne be bra wo ya ne ba be show nsam say Tracy J wo na wi asa japade nyina fata wo twa so now okay they say why why you come and say I'm liking you for that just say wadan for na can be count me be kasa say dey bebrebe na wo ye ne betimi akwati ya wo man what tie me why come we like that I love that me pede we say why come na why say woman do business no just say underground snitching na diamond cast man no akoka o cast man diamond akoka sa akokon sanketin dey e we girls now for from and dey amamu kura enye Miss Aniama grooming president I know am so hu akwa na hu ni papa you be na be ka kiro eno ne che ne se wawo anya akwa de ne be to edi papa for be 16 better agno anya ono nti ja akwa na ma me life man and even like the way I trace say why calm no become like that nya girls kasa ne konkon sta we go ka chewe na we ka eno so cry ewom 3 circle of friends bia na we find that there you better find the way go catch away. Now we are catch away. Now somebody came to tell me say, hey, GH, obe send me video be na first thing gedidi diamond appear atem say diamond appear want to say fear. Diamond appear dey no ho tan ni patan penny. Wo hwe obe ni ma say fear. And obe send no say it's not the same diamond appear they say all comment we fear snagger video as na am say chill. Na diamond no onim the oye. Diamond no why a smart woman, she knows what she's up to in Munjano. Until what Diamond was really up to, and now be dead, what Diamond was really up to. What camp was our quadra fias was nego or copenasable. What she was really up to, someone to Munchaso. Abuja for Madam say. Now, Munko subscribe to your YouTube no. Oh, Muntimon person me ba live for YouTube. Munko subscribe. I see 1,000 subscribers so. Asan yetimi akwa live. Oh, enti YouTube no me be ya say so Instagram ha ye be kakra no. Me be ya live for Instagram bi o. Nsam na baba no me say me transformation so. Enye me asu me tirim wa ha no. Makaka ma no otum kura mu abi so akatakata bi so nkia kumi kuro mu ha. Me bi nyina na me kan ke be kume. Nti afa de be kakra no ya bi ni nyina ya move information ni nyina ko YouTube. Nti ko YouTube a GH space Mouthpiece TV. GH space Mouthpiece TV. Okwa subscribe na click on the bell. Me ba live na ma notification. Now swaba be authentic information be nyansa kasa. Na my sister Penny be from us GH. Onim de ma me pe wase me say the boss o can no cry with wisdom. O can no cry with wisdom. O can no cry asem na wo can no. Wa can no ko wi na wa gya no cry no so no wa tufo. E bi na futu am de ma Tracy sesi ya no. So wo hu de to na down for no. Short code by Tracy. Ghanaians haven't attacked it because Tracy, who say one be say will be a business. One be can will be answer in the business. In Ghana for young attacking short code by Tracy. No, Shakira movies. Nobody is sabotaging Shakira movies because Obia unko attack will be a business. Until she won't ye. Men kasa chohu free wadan for no home. Wadan for no there so kuta secret bi nkofo na ekeka. Enkofo a kan say atwa say kuta secret bu ye won so otwe ho firi ho say wom. Etu be kara ni sa. Mommy go, daughter follow, go. Na mo call na mo ba. Na mo call na mo ba sa. The tatara ni sa na mum. Tetara with wisdom. Tetara with wisdom. Na wan ko influence so bebre. Ye nim say Tracy wani adin. But ni influence o de ma wo no ekofa asem bra wo Ghana ha no moma. Wan ko no ntumu na nsan ya kakro mu ha wo hu de nka eto. This is an advice to you. Tracy Buache, This is an advice to you. Utie me, I say 2019. If you just like that, tie me. Me catch and say, "Fiam penny for atem didie yo." A penny for atem didie. You know, so be a bit in a time. Obey a video. Be who the mama brand say one wo. Me na me pay a video. Video no call viral. Rich and pen or blocking me. One tie. Into Tracy nay. Shall who see ye? Me see a fiaded yet. According to information, say it is no credit ya. I know that matter one thing who say it be a gradual process. No mom. Me money influence so negatively. And master had the dennis answer who now obeyed the last year. Said this year so. Emma Crofo within Kromu Hassan, who so few Kumase background. Now we are loud, but now we are calm industry. No be people liked you. And to men yet Kaihun saw what businesses who was short called by Tracy. Kaihun saw what businesses who was Shakira movies. And he said one year now and then I'm no woman influence. So that's way round and all young Crofona. Don't forget, we all will come after your businesses. I love you all. Hate for none, love for everyone. But no crying, dear. Me say me the evidence about. I just say if your life not better, you know chantro. Ashamodi has given her money more than countless times. Countless times since was so oil the birthday. Can I shall brain is cash in some brain phone with nipple and so me patcho evidence now me the buy no 5 different transactions na course. Or that Ashamodi pay slip or so no me patcho say evidence. Mumu Valentina na jewa transactions now course no na patcho me na another transaction this one na there me didn't that George Shema. Mende Valentine na jewa. Now if ya there is still room for improvement. You can change. And yes, I be any pabes rosa. Mr. Reverend Buff one in the and o masrewa na yira so ni ko tojo na osre na ni kuna so ni sisi na osre na we learn to be grateful. Obi ton so ma wonuma be grateful to that person. Unless somebody who has hate e wonimu e mame. Obi ni hate wonimu mamia. Obi no be catch us say wato ade ba come me mama you ungrateful to them da. Every day mini baby and papa chipala baby obi amichiano. Every day I have never gone to any platform and can't say he made me GH mouthpiece. That is what we call gratefulness. Ono na mama ye when I me video na me dey na bloggers so me pa bloggers a chow mo post ma me na mo charge me 2,000 no. Achipalago didn't take a dime from me. Today be another catch so a youth president. That is gratefulness. Ebia na enye sika o. Ebia na enye atade enye ka o. But effort be the bet word drew baby. Nipa bet me the word drew baby. And a 50 prat yeah de me ma me kodure. Ekonya airtime. Ah me share. I missed that no. Me kai said papa no. Wa piase wo me film. Wa wo won me film. Wa wo won wo achi. Wa wo won me kom. Ono obetini aka one tama me da bia one thing about me me ne wona ma dia wo baya me no me hit maker said me no what here no woni me fefa me no fefa wo start say we deadly na me deadly sen o kana me tie to beto be say before wo start say na niema ko frefre yenyi medi wo daily tv ne eye fine for rainbow radio no be say sa time no mu no before be start say niema no na me just my no one single bonnet da na ombra out make am bonnet kuro nya ba wo mpo nka onya bone ba ku ponka we rainbow radio ni daily tv onya ba ku ponka but ni nyina mu we still appreciate and say thank you boss what the meaning na mu radio who pinch me na wo sum me hwe na me sore na ma pepa me ho na wasen afra me na wa pa ma chaw na ma sen aba bla 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 ni ye adwuma so ni nyina mu ni na mu sa up and down sama ba benya ye time nti me da wase say and I'm also manya airtime. Me dana say read video text messages on the phone so the church on Crawford time abe even if I said sorry to you or 50 prat I might be God and I'm sorry. And the message was clear say hey, thank you me dawase. Until you should learn to be grateful. Obi ye bibi ke tobi obi abe dru bia nipa na your boni onya oboni okai. Obi pisa me say anka fabrica sponsor ka oni finya issue ja fabrica so and I'm say me Jemini no oni mu kwata but me fa me phone say me ya life na makai say ene mo radio experience u jam wo de metina radio so me say ho radio station bi opa bia me say ho oni me or the 1 month pe e gru me ma me be ya perfect radio so ma afi na prime time show and na me hosti 1 month pe o gru me e ma afi na metina console achi at the sport there. And no ntina me kaya me fa phone na me the phone na iden ato wo se me life akwatia papa no memo na mase na de asam me enkonkoda na ansema me kan ye mo se me ba na sore mo hu asore nsema me kan ye fa bi nya afutuo ye fa bi ntu ye hofo you should learn to be grateful na yam fini papa Ni enjini papa ye bibia ye enjini papa first. Na ye kan hu say de ye be ye wo wiase bia no e won katua ne pa chewo. Ye nji wo heaven baby e o. Ahaya ne ebenya no. Ye te Ghana na afia so stay ga say Penaman Cosmetics less than 3 months ago. Enei enkwafo to ne in the business so. Na ka me business and kentu ani so won. Madam Asebebre, me poma Asebebre. Thank you. Thank you. With all zeal and cocktail ne dey me say one Africa. Na mo subscribe to your YouTube ni ntimi nya live on YouTube na mo kra mo pese mo. I go vex you. I go vex you. So man subscribe to YouTube. Me no me jam angaza. Me jam angaza. I love you so much, Mr. Manuel. Everybody, mean to me, body na Juniors, think about yourself and stop all this involving people's beef. Wo ni munyansa, ka ba be kanyansa sam na maka na for Jimmy Firo wan hunyansa kan na me kan fa kwase akoda na me nwem ho. I love you. Good night. Wo me nwem papa. Ye nye papa na ye hu se boni bi e be ye no. Eso akatua, ejina Africa he